So is Interactive Brokers free? That's the first thing people ask. And the answer is, kind of. If you're in the US and you go with the IBKR Lite plan, you get commission-free trades on US-listed stocks and ETFs. No account minimums, no inactivity fees. That's a win. But once you step outside that bubble, like trading options, futures, or international stocks, fees start creeping in. Not outrageous, but definitely not zero. Reddit users say the platform is powerful but not beginner-friendly. You open it and boom, charts, tickers, margin rates, and a dashboard that looks like it was built for Wall Street pros. NerdWallet and Bankrate praise the low margin rates and global access, but they also warn that the interface can be overwhelming. One guy on Quora said he felt like he needed a finance degree just to place a trade. People love the low costs, like really low. Margin rates are some of the best in the industry. And if you're into global markets, IBKR gives you access to over 150 exchanges. That's huge. But customer support? Mixed reviews. Some say chat is fast. Others say it's like yelling into the void. There's also a free trial and paper trading, so you can test the waters before diving in. But don't expect hand-holding. It's not Robinhood. It's not flashy. It's built for people who know what they're doing or are willing to learn. Bottom line, Interactive Brokers is free-ish. If you stick to basic US trades, you won't pay commissions. But once you go deeper, expect some fees. Still, for serious traders, it's a solid platform. Just be ready for a learning curve.